How to download and install the PayPal app on iPhone. In this video, I'll be showing you how to install the PayPal app on your device. Let's get started. First things first, go ahead and find App Store on your home screen. Once you found it, tap on it. Now here you can see search, tap on it. Now at the top here, type in PayPal and hit search. Look for the official app. This is the official app. Now tap on this install and wait for the app to download and install. After the installation, tap open. Now once you tap and open, sign into your existing account or choose sign up to create a new one. And that's it, you have successfully installed the PayPal app. Now you can send money, receive payments, shop online and more. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.